Welcome to IDS's Broadrun recycling facility, located in the Broadrun Industrial Park in Manassas, Virginia. This is a 26,000 square foot construction and waste recycling center. Trucks back into the facility where it's dumped onto the floor. There's no need for any sorting to be done by you. This is all done within our facility. Once the material is dumped, the truck then leaves the facility in a safe manner. A bucket loader then pushes the material over to where it's going to be picked up by the excavator. Once the material is in a pile, an excavator picks it up and puts it into a hopper. That hopper is attached to an apron conveyor that moves up close to the ceiling. As the material empties off of the apron conveyor, it goes onto a finger screener, which is a giant shaker screen which has 3 different sets of screens on it. The 8-inch product stays on top of the fingers, and out the back comes items that are 2 inches and below. This dirt, it is then conveyed into the star screen. And the dirt goes through the star screen up to an area where you have a magnet right there that is pulling the nuts and bolts and nails that are in the dirt. This dirt is used as a medium grade topsoil or as a drying agent to be mixed with compost. Once the material leaves the finger screener, it goes up to a picking station. The first station is where cardboard is taken off and put into that chute, which goes down into a horizontal baler. There are various bunkers located underneath the chutes where the appropriate materials pulled off and loaded into the bunkers underneath. One of the first bunkers is aggregate, brick, block, and concrete. The next bunker is metal, ferrous, and aluminum. Next bunker is wood, which is whitewood, plywood, particle board. Next bunker is green waste, stumps, logs, brush, hauled to a recycling facility is used as mulch. Next bunker is drywall. And as you saw previously, the first chute was for cardboard, where it's dropped down into that horizontal baler that you're looking at now, which produces a 1,800 pound bale. Additionally, we also recycle plastics, shrink wrap, Tyvecking. All non-recycled material is dropped onto the floor where it is then loaded into tractor trailers and sold to waste-to-energy facilities. These facilities create enough electricity to power 80,000 homes. This is the B line, where there's a magnet that pulls off the ferrous metal. After that, the waste goes up to a destoner or air knife. There's an example of the magnet that's pulling off the metals, dropping it into a container that's offloaded into a larger container to go to the scrap metal recycling plant. As this material goes up into the destoner, we have another picking station that pulls out some of the wood that happened to work its way through some of the screens. Here that material is entering into a air knife. The air knife blows the light trash up into the air and off onto the floor. And then of course the aggregate falls down through gravity and heads up to the aggregate bunker. Here we have an additional quality control picking station that pulls off trash plus high-grade metals such as copper and brass. Once the materials are picked off, it falls into the aggregate bunker. Also located on the same property is IDS, the hauling company. We have 2 truck bays where we maintain our own equipment, and we also have a container repair facility where we sandblast, repair, and repaint the containers. IDS, our offices, and both facilities are located on a 6.27 acre piece of property in Manassas, Virginia. All trucks coming in are weighed. With Speed Pass technology, no tickets are required. It's automatically downloaded into the customer's account. Upon leaving the scale, proceed around Broadrun to the appropriate bays around front. We thank you and look forward to having you as a customer.